और तू है ताकत तरंग गाँव गाँव फिरे तू जैसे उमंग तुझसे हम सीखा जीने का फन खुद मुख्तारी है तेरी पहचान का दम और तू
What is a business? A commercial or individual entity engaged in professional activities. But for PSI Pakistan, it's more than something tangible. It's a chance to give women the freedom to grow, the freedom to be independent, the freedom to make their own decisions. This is the story of PSI's Business in a Box life-changing initiative, an initiative for the women whose strength and resilience drive the change in their communities. 12 years ago, recognizing the unmet needs in the remotest parts of Pakistan, where even the government's reach falters, PSI Pakistan took a bold step. We ventured beyond the boundaries of established healthcare, bridging the gap in areas uncovered by lady health workers. PSI envisioned not just a project, but a revolution, one that would transform lives through healthcare, education, and empowerment, and make women the leaders of their society.
ख़वातीन से मुताल्लिक़ मसनूआत की रसाई हमारी ख़वातीन कम्युनिटी के लिए बहुत दुश्वारकुन थी। हमें इन ज़रूरियात के हुसूल के लिए मीलों की मुसाफत तय करना पड़ती थी, जो हमारे लिए शदीद कठिन मराहिल से गुजरने का बाइस थी। इन सब दुश्वारियों को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए PSI ने हमारी ख़वातीन कम्युनिटी में BIB के ख़याल को मुतारिफ़ करवाकर हमारे इन तमाम मसाइल को हल किया।
The Business in a Box project emerged as a key initiative under the FCDO-funded DAFPAC program. But with PSI's Business in a Box initiative, selected women were given seed money and training to start selling basic products for the women in their village in intervention districts of Sindh, Punjab, and KPK provinces.
My name is Arusa Ali and I am from PSI. Business in a Box is an initiative for the females who are working with PSI. PSI has decided to start a Business in a Box model for these females, जिसमें वो सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर सकें उन ख़वातीन के लिए जो डिफ़िकल्टी फेस करती हैं बाज़ार में जाके कोई भी कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव प्रोडक्ट लेने में, या इसके अलावा कोई भी हेल्थ और हाइजीन से रिलेटेड जो दुश्वारियाँ उनको फेस करनी पड़ रही थी। तो बिज़नेस इन अ बॉक्स में इन प्रोडक्ट्स की अवेलेबिलिटी को पूरा किया गया है और इसके साथ साथ ये ख़वातीन ना सिर्फ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोवाइड कर रही होती हैं, बल्कि अपने स्किल को एक बिज़नेस की शक्ल में ला रही होती हैं, जिसमें वो कपड़े और दीगर अशिया भी सेल कर रही होती हैं, ताकि वो एक फाइनेंशियल सस्टेनेबिलिटी ला सकें फॉर द इकोनॉमी एंड ऑल्सो अपनी फैमिली के लिए भी एक ब्रेड विनर के तौर पर आगे बढ़ के पार्टिसिपेट कर सकें।
It is more than just a project. It is a movement led by women. It's a lifeline that has supported and trained over 5,000 women, equipping them with skills that extend beyond health. From entrepreneurship to addressing the unique nutrition and hygiene needs of their communities, these women are at the forefront of change. Through their relentless efforts, they have reached over 1.3 million households, raised awareness and improved access to family planning and sexual and reproductive health information, services and products in villages across the region.
PSI ने अपने BIP प्रोग्राम के तहत अपनी टीम के हमरा हम ख़वातीन कम्युनिटी को खुद मुख्तारी फराहम करने में अपना एक अहम किरदार निभाया है।
तुझसे हम सीखा जीने का फन खुद मुख्तारी है तेरी।
These women have learned to assess market potential, communicate the benefits of health, nutrition, and hygiene related products, and ensure that every visit they make leaves a lasting impact. They are not merely health workers, they are the heartbeat of their communities and business women. Each woman's journey begins with a simple box. But within this box lies the power to change lives. For these community workers, it holds commodities worth more than rupees 20,000. They are not just products, they are tools for creating lasting impact. From short-term contraceptives to essential health and hygiene items, these women offer more than just products. They offer a future where every child can grow up healthy and every woman can make informed choices about her body and her family.
खुद मुख्तारी तेरी पहचान का दम और तू
PSI के कारकुनान अपने इंतखाब और अपनी ट्रेनिंग के अमल के बारे में हम सबको आगाह करते हैं और साथ ही साथ में हमारे देहात में लोगों को भर्ती करने के लिए CRP कैंप लगाने की मालूमात भी फराहम करते हैं।
Every day, these women walk miles, navigating rugged terrains and crossing rivers to reach homes that are often cut off from the world. They go door to door, offering not just health, nutrition, and menstrual hygiene products, but also access to vital information, resources, and support that their communities have long been deprived of. During these visits, these community workers create awareness, inform families about upcoming camps, and provide access to contraceptives, ensuring that families have the tools they need to make informed decisions about their health. Their presence is a lifeline, yet their path is far from easy. For these women, earning more than rupees 15,000 is not just income, it is a source of pride, independence, and a brighter future for their families.
जैसे उमंग तुझसे हम सीखें जीने का फन खुद मुख्तारी तेरी पहचान का दम
This is the impact of Business in a Box. It's more than a business, it's a beacon of change. When we invest in women, when we equip them with knowledge, trust, and the means to make a difference, they don't just transform their own lives, they uplift their entire community, leading them into a future filled with health, dignity, and hope. This monumental effort has not been undertaken by PSI alone. The unwavering support of our partners has been instrumental in scaling this initiative, ensuring that education, financial inclusion, and digital empowerment are at the forefront. Together, they have transformed what began as a simple idea into a life-changing reality. Jazz Cash, in particular, has played a crucial role in bridging the digital divide, ensuring that even in the most remote areas, women have access to financial services.
PSI के दिए गए बॉक्स में सिर्फ सेहत आमा से मुतालिक अशिया ही नहीं फराहम की जाती, बल्कि मुख्तलिफ त्यौहारों के मुताबिक कपड़े और दीगर मसनूआत शामिल करके हम सब ख़वातीन की बेशतर ज़रूरियात को भी पूरा किया जाता है। इन तमाम ज़रूरियात की फराहमी के बारे में मुकामी सतह पर आगाही भी दी जाती है। हम PSI और उसके शराकतदारों को एक सहूलतकार के तौर पर बयान करना चाहेंगे जो हर फर्द की ज़िंदगी के सफ़र में उसकी मदद का बाइस बनते हैं।
With just thousands of women transformed across 3 provinces and millions more still in need of support, the Business in a Box initiative marks just the first step in a much larger journey. The mission is to transform all. It's a mission driven by passion, with the understanding that no woman should be left behind. no matter how remote her location. The road may be long and challenges many, but with the right partners and the right tools, we are reclaiming the future, one woman at a time. This is not just a project, it's one of PSI's and DAFPAC's biggest initiatives of its kind. It's a bold statement that when we support women, we uplift entire communities. Together, with the passion of our team and the unwavering commitment of our partners, we are creating lasting change, reaching the last mile, and ensuring that no one is left behind. We are Business in a Box.